Hello, welcome to HCG Demystified. It's Misty Price, and today we are taking a trip to the Whole Foods Market to talk about stevia and understand what it is and where you'll find it in the grocery store. So, there are all kinds of different stores. We're going to be highlighting different ones, but today it's Whole Foods. First of all, what is stevia and where can I find it in the store? It's the only sweetener that you are allowed on the HCG protocol. So as we kind of zoom in here a little bit, you'll see that even inside this store, there are things being advertised as 0-calorie sweeteners. Those are not allowed unless it says stevia. It's not about the calories. It is about a product that is good for your hypothalamus. So here you go. You are looking at one of the brands of stevia. You'll see here that these are the powdered form stevia. Moving over here, here's another brand, same thing, more of the powdered form of stevia. And then if you move a little further down on the counter, sorry about all the movement here, you see liquid stevia, kind of pulling this up here so you can see it. This is plain, and you can see here that there are some different flavors that it comes in. There are actually all kinds of flavors, not all of which I kind of show you here, including chocolate, toffee, vanilla. So a variety of flavors that you can use in your different drinks and things. All of these flavors are allowed as a part of the protocol. So you'll see here the few that we've highlighted. Now you will notice I wanted to hit that price tag, $13.98 for a little bottle of liquid stevia, but it will go far. Showing you here some of the others. One we commonly get asked about because it is a little less expensive and sometimes a little more common is Truvia. Truvia is not stevia, and because of the way it's been processed, it is no longer recommended as a good stevia style replacement on the diet. It just doesn't work the same with your hypothalamus. So please no Truvia. Now something you'll find a little interesting is this exact same store, but in a completely different location, more stevia. You'll see there are more of the Now brand, which we saw in the other aisle. The other aisle was over by the sugars, in between where everything else is. So it was right there with all the sugars. This is actually on the tea aisle, and I'm going to pan the aisle and show you that here in a minute. But you'll look up and down the aisle and see that. So here we have the Now brand, and we actually have the store brand, which was not located with the others. So you see down towards one end, that was vitamins. This end is the teas. So here's another place where you can see that there's stevia. So sometimes it may be located, and this is pretty common, in multiple parts of the store. And again, we've got both the powdered form and the liquid form. Wanted you to notice here this particular, the store brand here, the liquid vanilla is actually only $8.99. For $18.99, you've got the very large bottle. I don't see this bottle very many places. Of stevia, and then you've also got the powdered form. The powdered form's really nice because you can just kind of throw it in your purse and take it with you. Stevia in new stevia are both allowed forms of stevia because they are pure stevia. Now that xylitol there, which is also a natural sweetener, xylitol is not something you can use. Here's where I was showing you this big, oh sorry for this recording, this great big bottle, and setting beside here on each side of it. That's the standard pretty big size drops. That bottle's actually the same size as your 2-ounce HCG drops. Showing you there that that's the vanilla brand. That is kind of what the packaging, because a lot of times people don't know what they're looking for. That is the packaging of the stevia and kind of where it's located in the store. For those of you that have looked for it and weren't quite sure what you were looking for, I hope this has helped. Thanks, and have a great day.